welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I just reached 20k subscriber. Thank you so much, you guys. I very appreciate it. And last night I cannot sleep because like, oh my god, 20 for me that's a lot. So I think I wanna make you guys involved with this channel more. So I do the poll that I want you to choose what is the next video you want me to post. So in enough you guys want to see me do more exercise video. So just so you know, I'm not an expert in exercise, like I'm not a trainer or something. I just exercise a couple days a week. But you guys want to see how I do my workout, so here it is. So I want to tell you something. I actually filmed this video twice. Yes, twice. So if you saw my leg or exhausted during the workout, just so you know, I've been filming this video. This is the third time, and I think third time is the chance. If you want to see my fail footage, I will add at the end of the vlog. Okay, let's go.
We about to turn it on. turn it on. To turn it
your cat mattress, your cat mat, is that you call? And I will lay down and I will do some prank, I will do some side prank, and I will do some bridge, like, but I don't have that and I want to lay down on this sand. So I'm gonna end up this video. If you want to see more exercise with me, don't forget to subscribe and then hit that bell button so you get the notification the next time when I post the video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to comment down below and I will reply all of your comments. Until next time, see you guys, bye bye.